Well, we know that Apple's working on the AI generative application, but there's something else that's in their back pocket. They're going to be coming out with a new password application, and it's not just going to work for your iPhone. It's actually going to be able to handle things like your Windows PC. Now, my question is, does Apple really have, let's say, the business to be going after this? I mean, look what they did by hiring that terribly bad marketing and advertising company that really, let's say, had Apple put their foot in their mouth. And now they're kind of like grappling at straws. Why don't you guys just focus on the iPhone business? I get the AI, but why are you working on a password app? I don't know, Apple. I'm not really happy about it.